Hi there, this is Chris Callett from musegrid.com, and we're going to take a look at changing the background pattern in the Apex template. So if we just open up a page here, we can see we've got this nice grid pattern sitting behind the page design. But how do we change it? Because it's not in the browser fill, and you might find it difficult to figure out how to change that pattern. But if we go into the home master, we can see that this is actually a rectangle that's been stretched to the full width of the page. So we can just select the rectangle, go to the fill, and we could remove the background color and maybe set a gradient in there instead. Or let's undo that. Or we could import a new image by clicking on the image well here and adding a new image, and that would change it on the home page. Now for the other pages like the About Us page and so on that's included with this template, you need to go to the page master, and in there you'll find that the rectangle is not selectable. So all we have to do is go to Object, Unlock All on Page, and now the rectangle is selectable, and you can change it in much the same way as we were just looking at on the home page, just by either clicking on the fill button, changing the image, or changing it to a solid color or gradient background. And that's how you change the background image on the Apex template. Thanks for watching.